Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression, and here we have some pattern. Like here we have the some repetition of the numbers like 28 and 7. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have three answers: A is 63, B is 105, and C is 119. So let's see which answer is correct after solving it. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve any given expression. So now we have here two rules which are BODMAS and PAMDAS. So these rules basically apply to solve any arithmetic expression, and the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number two is basically you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any power of any number, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is basically you have to solve the division and multiplication in your expression. So find out division and multiplication. If you have to go left to right in your expression, and if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any one. You cannot say I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve the division first. And someone says that I'm using the PAMDAS, so I will solve the multiplication. No, this is not the rule. You can solve any of operation which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. So first of all, we have to go left to right in our expression and find out which operation is coming. So if addition is coming first, so we will solve addition first. And if subtraction will come, will become, so we will solve the subtraction first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So now we have BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. So according to the rule, we have to solve first the bracket. So here we do not have any bracket, so we can skip this step. Now we will move forward to solve the exponent part, or you can say the order. So we can solve this one. So now we do not have any order or exponent part, so we will skip this step as well. Now step number three is basically find out division and multiplication. So what we will do here, we will go left to right in our expression, and find out division and multiplication. So first of all, we have the division. So we will solve this one. So 28 divided by 7. So we will get the answer is 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, 7 3 the 21, and 7 4 the 28. Now 4 multiplied by 28, we will write minus 7 multiplied by 7. And here I am giving the reference so that you can understand like which step we did in this line. So here we have 4. Now, again, we have to go step number 3. We will go left to right and find out multiplication and division. So now we have the multiplication. So first of all, we will multiply these two terms. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 28. So here we will get the answer is 112, right? And minus 7 multiplied by 7, we will write as it is. Now we will give the reference here. 4 multiplied by 28 equals to 112. Now move forward again. We have to go for see the division and multiplication. So now we will also have the multiplication. So first of all, we will solve this one again. So now we have 112 minus 7 multiplied by 7 is equals to 49. So the answer of 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. Now we do not have any division and multiplication. Now we have only two terms, and both are the subtracting each other. So we will subtract these two terms and get the correct answer. So when we will subtract both of them, so we will get the answer is 63. So the answer of this expression is 63. So if you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PEMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct figure. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.